Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my lunch menu is gobi masala with less masala, then chapati and jeera rice. Now I am taking one gobi flower here. I removed green color leaves, then I cut into small pieces of gobi flower. Now put on 1 liter of water and add 1 teaspoon salt. Put that water on the stove. Heat well. Now cut the gobi into this size of flowers. This curry we can use 4 to 5 members. Whole family can eat with one flower. Now add gobi flower to hot water, then stove off. Dip well, then keep aside. Now remove the skin to onions. I am using here 4 onions and 2 green chilli and 4 medium sized tomatoes. Once removed skin to onions and remove stem to green chilli. Now wash well with running water or salted water. Once washed, nicely chop onions and slit green chilli. Now cut the tomatoes with big pieces. Then add to mixing jar. Now I am going to make tomato puree here. I am not using directly tomatoes. Tomato puree is ready, then keep aside. Now take a kadai, then add 3 tablespoons of oil. Any oil we can use, sesame oil or peanut oil or mustard oil or sunflower oil for this curry. And 1 teaspoon cumin I added here, then add chopped onions and green chilli. If you want ghee, you can also add 1 teaspoon of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil. Now strain the gobi. Excess of water will remove. Now we add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then salt well until raw smell goes away. Now sorted well. Now we add tomato puree. Then mix well. Stir continuously until 1 to 2 minutes. Then close and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Tomatoes raw smell will go away. Now mix once. Then add all masalas. Here I am using required salt. Then 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It will give good color to our curry. 1 teaspoon of red chilli, spicy chilli powder. Then mix well, salt until oil separate. Once sorted, then add gobi flower. Before cooking, it will be more. After cooking, it will reduce the quantity. Now we add 2 cups of water. Then mix well and close with lid. This is rich in taste and rich for guests or any friends or children. It will like very well. Now take 2 cups of water, then 1 teaspoon garam seeds, or half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Then mix well and add water to this flour. Normal water I am using here. Then make soft dough. Then keep aside. Close and keep aside for 15 minutes. Now check the curry. It's cooked or not. Mix once. Then take a flour. Then check it. If not cooked, again cook it and add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of saffron or hing. It will give good taste to our curry. Then mix well. It's not cooked well, then add 1/2 cup of water and cook 3 to 4 minutes. Now check the curry, it's cooked or not. If you want more gravy, you can add 1/2 cup of water extra. Now add 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi. Then add 1/2 cup of fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add 1/2 cup of curd with all masalas. Now add coriander, fresh coriander leaves. Now our curry is ready. Now make it chapati or roti, whatever you need, whatever you like. Knead the dough 2 to 3 minutes. Then roll the chapati. Use atta flour. Then roll it. This curry is using by chapati, roti, naan or any jeera rice or any masala rice. You can use for all recipes as a side dish. This curry is very nice. Now serving jeera rice. Already I showed in 2 to 3 videos. And chapati, onions, curry and sweet laddu. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.